How to get the top fan badge on any Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get the top fan badge on Facebook. Now, the first thing is the steps are pretty simple. If you open the app and head over to any page here, I'll show you on the screen right now, and go to comments, then you should be able to see the top fan badge on certain people's profile name. But since I can't find here, I'll just do a quick search right here and go to top fan badge. Here, if I go to this comment, and here you can see the top fan badge beside this profile of this person or this user above the name. So how you can get this? The first thing is you need to be frequently liking or reacting to content from this page or certain page that you want to get top fan badge from. Now you need to be eligible, as Facebook automatically provides you the top fan badge. So all you need to do is frequently like and react to their content and comment and share their post specific profile or page. Now once you do this, Facebook will automatically assign badges to you once you qualify for them. So this way you can get top fan badge on any Facebook page. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.